Now, let's say that you're working with arms. You have to do it, he has to do it. Okay? You guys get the same grade, but I just want you to be able to put it onto your blog. Okay? It's a good skill to have if you ever decide to blog. Okay? For school or for personal use. Or for work. Now, it's very, very simple to do this. What you should do is just have several sentences introducing this, like I have. So it'll look like this. Then, down here, you put your information resources. Those notes that I had you take, where you would get the information and put the link next to it, that's where you put these links. So you take those links and you just copy and paste them in here. So this should take you 10-15 minutes to create. Then, for each image, you should have captured the URL, the web page URL. At this point, you just put image, how many images that you have. So I have 11 images, and each one has a link that goes to the website that I got that image from. So if I click on it, here is the website where I got the image from, right here. Okay? So I'm giving credit to this person. And if this person got it from someone else, they should have given that credit to that person. So within a couple of links, you see who created the image. Okay? Alright, so let's go back to here. I'm going to show you how to embed this. This is the tricky part. Okay? So, start a new blog post and give it a title. Okay? I gave mine ADHD, a brain disorder. Give your title something that tells me what this is about. So mine was ADHD, hyperactive disorder, attention deficit hyperactive disorder, okay, and I just call it a brain disorder. So you can give your title whatever you want, something creative. Now, let me start from scratch to show you how to do this. So, go ahead and find the new post, and you're going to create a new post. I'm going to delete this in a moment once I've created it. But you give it a title. I'm just call it this sample post. So go to make a new post, sample post. And you see that you have this here. Okay? It might be smaller depending on what view you have going. Now, all we have to do is embed it right now, and you can do the rest later. So make sure you have your VoiceThread open. And I want you to go to your VoiceThread. Okay, you can see I can see yours here. So I can still see it, but I want it on your web page, or on your blog page. So I go, I click menu, and I click edit.
Edit?
Yes, click edit. Now, under edit, if you come down here, it says embed. Okay? Embed, a good way to remember what this word means is, if you sleep, you're in bed. It means that you're in it. Okay? So, embed. Okay? That means you're putting something into a website.
Yeah. Good.
Alright. So hit embed. And it says the embed code. Don't worry about how they make this. It doesn't matter to us. All we want to do is use it. So you come here and you say copy this. It's copied to my clipboard now. I go back to Blogger. And here's where I write. Okay, I use this to write. Now there's two sides to this. This is the front version. Okay? You can think of a front version. And then there's a back side to it. The back side is this HTML. Okay, this is code. This is what the computer runs on, or the website. Hit enter a couple times, and then paste, not that. Okay, click this to copy. So click it, it says copy. There you go. That's the code. So click the code, the actual code, not the copy button. Alright? Mac's different. Okay, so you click that. It looks like this. This sends a signal to the other website and it feeds into it. Go back to compose. Okay, you'll notice it show up here, but you can't really do much with it. It's just a block. Okay? You don't have to worry about that. Okay? Now, make sure that you have a couple spaces above it. So, sort of put it in the center so you can write above it and write below it. And, alright, if you hit preview, it doesn't show for some reason. I don't know why. But once you publish it, it shows. So, we can publish this and then go back and add our stuff later. So, why don't we go ahead and publish it? Okay, I click publish. And then I'm going to go over here and I want to say view this post. And you'll notice it feeds in to this. And now it's viewable to everyone in the world.
Alright.
Now, you can go back and edit the post and put information here and down there, and you're done.
So
as you change it,
yeah.
if you change it, this changes. You
Ah.
don't have to go back and repost.
Ah.
It just changes everything.
That's good.
Okay? It's a secret to making websites. Actually, that's what I do with your websites, like the class websites. You don't have to change it every time. Any questions?
No.
Okay. So, follow that process. Try to get this done today. Okay. If you want to make changes, I'm probably not going to get to it until tomorrow. I know I have to get 4 or 5 grades done by Friday. Okay. For your transcripts. So, I'm probably not going to get this until tomorrow midday. So you can make changes to it.
Midday.